Let me show you a simple way to spot a trend change using the info line. Our info line is here in TradingView. This is info line. First, find one higher low, then find the next higher low. This is our first higher low, and our next higher low is here. Now I want to connect these two higher low, this higher low and this higher low with info line. If the info line is going off with a strong angle, the buyers are strong and the uptrend is healthy. But if the angles start getting smaller, the market is losing strength. Now I want to connect our next higher low with info line. And the next higher low with info line. As we see here, the angle is increasing. The angle is increasing, and we can anticipate that this bullish trend is healthy and strong. And now I want to connect another higher low with info line. As you see here, this angle is smaller than this angle. This angle is 68.92 and this angle is 33.22. This angle is smaller than this angle. It means the trend is changing from uptrend to downtrend. And now I want to connect this higher low with info line. As you see here, this higher low is, and the angle is smaller than our previous higher low. And this is 11.54 and this is 33.22. It means our trend is changing. The seller is becoming stronger. And when the angle is becoming negative, like this, or very like this, becoming negative, or very small, this should be the point. This should be the sign that we can enter to the market. But we can trade with a good setup, with a good trigger point, with a good confirmation. Here you can enter to the market. Here you can trade. This is a good point. And I want to say a very good point to you guys. Just note with yourself. The trend, this bearish trend will touch the end of the previous trend point here. You can set your TP here, you can set your TP here, you can set your TP here, and you can set your TP here also.